Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurs, and today we are doing a brown smoky eye. I decided to do something a little bit darker because I'm always usually doing like golds or rose golds or pinks. So I decided to do a dark brown smoky eye. I hope you guys like it and continue watching to see how to get it. Let's get started, guys. Firstly, I'm going to prime my eyes with Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. This will brighten and lengthen the color and time it lasts on the lid, preventing creasing as well. To set the concealer, I'm using Morphe 3502 in the color Universal. I'm applying this wherever the concealer has touched with a fluffy brush. You can use any color that is tan or of your color type, or even white. This will help brighten the color as well and make it last longer throughout the day while preventing creasing as well. From the same palette, I'm grabbing the color Orb. It is a light brownish orange, and with a fluffy brush, I am using circular and windshield swiping motions while applying this, adding more color when I feel I need more. Again, from the same palette, I'm taking the color Fawn and applying this into the crease as well, blending out slightly underneath the color Orb to give an ombre effect. To do this, I'm using a small fluffy brush and doing the same strokes I had done before with Orb, circular and windshield, adding more color to darken it. Taking the color So Warm and spraying my packing brush to make it damp, I'm going to apply this brown to my eyelid, adding more color as I go to deepen the shade. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the shade at the edges to soften it and get rid of any sharpness. Going back to Orb with a small brush, I'm going to blend this color along the bottom of my lid, going to about a quarter and near the tear duct. Doing the same with the color Fawn, I'm taking the same brush and applying it along the bottom lid towards the center from the end. On top of Fawn, I'm applying So Warm with the same brush, stroking the color into the end of the eye with the same shade to blend it together. Now with the color Bronze, again, same palette, and a small brush, I'm going to sweep this around the tear duct. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. To line my eyes instead of using eyeliner, I am using the color Wiz from the same palette, and a thin angled brush to line my upper lid. Taking the Morphe palette 35V, I'm using the color So Nude to brush onto my brow bone. I'm using a cheap eyeliner for this next step. It doesn't have a name on it, so use whichever eyeliner you please. I'm going to tightline my upper lid to allow my lashes to look thicker. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Lashes in Page Boy. I'm using 2 lipsticks to create an ombre lip. First, I'm putting NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Teddy. And then on top, mostly in the center of my lips, I'm applying Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in Pure Hollywood. And that's how you get this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was easy to follow. I hope I explained everything pretty well. Sorry if a lot of the items were a little bit more expensive. I've been getting a lot of things from friends lately, and I just been trying them out. Morphe's been at Ulta, so I've been grabbing any Morphe palettes I can see, and thankfully I do because I get to try out different looks that I normally don't get from stuff that's at like drugstores. So I hope you guys like this look. Like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to continue watching more videos of mine.